up, Just Guy Squad? Today I'm going to be opening up my Nigel plush. If you don't know what, it's from Rio. It's a movie. It's my favorite movie.
All these characters came from eBay.
Yep, but except for the monkey. I bought that at the store at Toys R Us.
Yes, because after the movie, about a year later, they stopped selling these toys or these plushes at the stores. So it's really hard to get them. So she has been searching for a long time for the perfect Nigel, and for a long time on the internet, on eBay and Amazon, they just have the ones that have no legs, or they look like more like Angry Bird style, where it's just a little fat Nigel, like a little ball with no legs. But she finally found a good one, and she's gonna open it today. Here it is, all the way from Australia.
Let's just get right to it. Ooh. Look at, they also added the feathers, and they also add like lines because the middle of the feathers also have like lines. Okay, if you want to see a clip from the movie against him versus the other Nigel, let's just do it.
Used to be quite a looker, a star. So delicious. Now I am ambitious. Oh, I'm malicious. I had it all. The TV show, women too.
Scene reenactment. I had it all. The only funny thing is this is much shorter. This is much shorter. But he does look pretty cool.
I like this a lot. Okay, bye-bye.